Hello and welcome to Picture This. I'm Bruce Malone and we are using a new camera today, the GoPro Hero 9. So I'm going to show you a few of the new great features about the GoPro Hero 9 and let's picture this. The GoPro Hero 9 has some amazing features, which I'm going to show you some new ones. The one that I like a lot is the Timewarp. That's what we're using right now. You can go from Timewarp to real time for the first time on the GoPro Hero 9. Let's go Timewarp! That was the tunnel of the Timewarp. Now we're in real time. Let's go back to Timewarp. Another feature I really like is the slow motion, up to 240 frames per second.
The best feature of all for me though is the light ramping, which makes the day to night time lapse now flicker free. Thanks for watching Picture This with Bruce Malone. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.